it's my birthday month. Ooh. Oh God, wow, I was not expecting this.
It's the beauty of the world around us, the flowers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. I know you guys miss me. Yeah, I know. I miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. It's like being a photographer and also being a content creator. It's not be easy. My TikTok required me, like my black app required me to post regular for more customer, because when you don't post on your social media and you are a photographer, it just be like as if you are doing, like you are playing, just as I am playing now on the YouTube side. So I'm just trying to balance both sides, posting on TikTok and also posting on the YouTube channel. So if you are just coming across my video for the very first time, do it to subscribe, like and share this video and you will love it. Yeah, so it's my birthday month. Ooh. So guys, it's my birthday. I am June 23. Yeah, okay. So in this video I will be unboxing some few stuff I got from Shein. I know you guys miss my unboxing so much. Okay, so these are the things that I got for this summer. You guys know that it's summer here in Italy. Like from on the 21, it will be very hot. Like I mean, it's hot now, like hot, you get. But from 21 of June, it will be fire. Okay, so these are the things that I got for Shein. And first of all, let's unbox this one. This one came like this. They brought this one first. So I got this pretty, I've already opened it to see what they actually brought for me. So I decided to unbox it with you guys. So I got this pretty dress, like not like a gown. It's a gown, but I think it's too short. This gown is very short. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. The outfit is very beautiful, as you can see, but the back is so short but the front is long a little bit. Okay, so I will be, my review for this, the outfit is fine, know that, but I'll be returning it. So I just wanted every other product, like every other things that I ordered to come, so that maybe in case if I have something that I want to return also, I'll just return everything with it. Okay, one thing I like when I'm buying things on Shein is that whenever maybe you buy something there, you do not like it, you can return it and they will refund your money. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay. Ooh, I got this mini bag for acting. Okay, this is what the bag looks like. I didn't know that it's smaller than this. I thought it was at least a little bit bigger than this one compared to the one that I have. The one that I have is a little bit bigger than this one, so this one is smaller, but it's also fine. Me, I am that kind of person that does not like carrying bag. I don't know how I am going to explain. I have bags, but I am that type of person. In a year I can carry bag like maybe 3 times or 4 times. That's the kind of person I am. I'm not bag type. I don't know how to put it. I usually carry this crossing bag, like I think it's easy. It's only when I'm going to dinner day, like going to party, that's when I usually take this one. But I usually do not go with bag. I don't know the type of body that I am. So you guys know, since I started doing my photographing business, it's been a lot, guys. I combine being a makeup artist. If you have been in this place, like if you started this YouTube channel with me, you know I am that kind of person that love makeup. Like even when I was doing braids, like when I usually braid my hair for YouTube video and all that, I usually do my makeup, and a lot of you usually compliment my makeup. So I thought of, okay, Peculiar, why not be doing makeup and the photo shoots together, because usually when somebody wants to do their makeup, they usually tell me, do you also do makeup, because I see that your makeup are so beautiful. I'll tell them, yes, I do makeup. So for someone that can do this kind of makeup, I can also do makeup for people. Before that I was doing YouTube, I do not know how to do makeup for people. Me, I'm that kind of person. I will be really honest. You understand? So I find myself doing this thing. Like, do you get? So why not? So I got some makeup products from Nigeria, and which I will still be buying more. Like, anytime I'm coming to Nigeria, I will still be going for upgrade, like a makeup class upgrade. You know, when people want to teach you online, they will send you the video. They will not call you a video, because I've already started. I think a year ago, I said, okay, let me just join this online class that I saw. Sharp, you understand? They sent me the video, and I need something physical. Like, I will be there, you'll be teaching me. That's what I want. Watching those things on the video, I've already been watching those ones on the YouTube, because there are a lot of video you can easily watch on YouTube, like my makeup to come out really nice. Okay, but if I go to Nigeria, definitely I'm going to get one-on-one class to understand. I don't need that video on. If I really need video, I'll go to YouTube. Okay, so as a makeup artist, not this one that are not for myself, because I have the one that I normally use for myself, but this one are for my clients. If I want to carve their eyebrow and all those things, to remove hair from their face, so that the makeup will come out really nice. So that's the reason I got this one, and it's 24. This one is 24, and I got this pretty white shoe. I got this shoe because of this dress. So oh god, wow, I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this at all. Like, the material here is top. I will not lie, it's top. I do not know how you people use your shoe, but all the shoes that I've gotten from Shein, all of them are still intact. I know, if for example some people, they will say, things that I normally got from Shein, you know, Shein have quality. Some place does not have quality. If you don't know how to shop from Shein, you go and shop the one that is not good. If there is a place that you normally shop, there are particular place that when you shop, you know, okay, I shop. I don't know if you understand. There are quality things over there. So it's not all Shein things that is not good. It's because you don't know how to shop. Okay, there are some like, I don't know, like some stores that in Shein that they are very nice. Guys, what do you think about this pairs of shoe? I am size 38. So this is what the shoe looks like. I know it's going to fit me. So I actually got this shoe because of this dress, but the dress is too short. I wanted to use it for for a dinner date. I am not doing the photo shoot session for this year birthday, because I'm really busy. Even this video that I'm doing now is like, I said today I must do this video. It was yesterday I wanted to record this video. I said today I must do this video, whether the devil like it or not. So this dress is too short. When I wear it, you know, I will not be using it to walk around. You understand? So Obi is going to take me there when we go for dinner and all those things. So I will return it. Even if I wear it, I will return it, because this, what do you guys think? I ordered a dress from Nigeria, like Ankara outfit from Nigeria. After like 4 days, the Instagram page got I could not find the page anymore. So there is one lady that they normally call what is it called, Victoria. I think she's a Cotonou girl or something like that. I don't know, but she's an influencer. She stays in Lagos. Okay, so she wore that beautiful outfit. I will be putting the outfit here for you guys to see. She wore this beautiful outfit, and I saw it. I love it, and I have somebody that's coming from Nigeria. I now bought the outfit and all those things, but in the next 4 days I could not find the page anymore. So I don't know if that dress is coming. If that dress is not coming, that means I will not be going out for my birthday. I actually bought that Ankara for my, I really like how cool the outfit looks. I say, okay, if I didn't wear this shoe with that one, I'll be wearing this. But unfortunately, this one is too short, like too short. So if I can pair a video here later, I'll wear it and show you guys what the dress looks like. It's too short for me. So this shoe is 10 over 10. The outfit is 10 over 10, but just that it's too short at the back. Okay, so I got this pretty summer outfit. Okay, the cotton is cotton. Wow. Wow. So I will be putting the picture here for you guys to see. This is beautiful. So I got big size because me, I am that kind of person that I've come to that stage in my life. I don't know if it's only me, or I've come to that stage in my life that I do not usually want to put on something that is too tight. I don't know how to put it. Something that is too tight for me, I do not want it. So this is what I love it. I love when my outfit is big, most especially all these baggy trousers and all those things. So this is what it looks like, and this is the top, okay, for this summer, because definitely I cannot wear this on like winter time. Okay, so I bought this beautiful scarf. Like, I love it, guys. Oh my god, I've missed making YouTube video. Wow, guys, this is what it looks like. Wow. So I bought it to it's cute. I know, I've seen it. I've seen a lot of people that actually bought it, and so let me try this one. Let me see what this one looks like. Okay, this one is a yellow top. So this is what the top looks like. You see, all my outfits are big because I don't want something to be tightening me. I don't want to wear something once and then after next time I cannot be able to wear it again. So this is what this outfit looks like. Okay, I will be pairing this outfit with my skirt. I bought one skirt from Zara, so that's the skirt that I will be pairing with this. So I don't know what is here. I think so. I got this glass. I am that kind of person that does not love glass. I have a lot of glass, but I do not wear. I am that kind of person that when I wear my glass, I think my eyes will be turning me. I don't know why. I don't really know why. Do you think I have problem with my eyes? God forbid. So it's when maybe if I pass my driving school, that's when I will know if I have problem with my eyes, because I don't understand. I don't know if I put glass on my eyes like this. I cannot leave my glass for like 3 minutes. It's not possible. Peculiar. But I hope I like this one because it's transparent. I don't know if you guys can see this really well. So let me try it. Oh wow, this is beautiful. God help me so that I can be able to wear this glass. Like, this is nice. Really nice. Cute. I love the color. Okay, so I got some what is it called, some lace. I got this dress. It's what is it called? Like it's a cotton outfit. So this is what the dress looks like. Okay, see, very beautiful for the summer, because I cannot literally I cannot wear this for the winter time. So I think we got to lots of. So I got, oh wow, I got this yellow panties from Shein also for the summer, for the weather. Ooh, I really love it. I think if I cannot pair this with a skirt, I can pair this with this. So what do you guys think? Let me know if you are going to shop some of this on Shein. And I got pan. I got this beautiful pan. Like, they are so calm. Wow, see, This is what it looks like. So beautiful. So happy shopping. So what else did I got? What else? I didn't even know what I got, but I know I got a lot of things. So this one is a white dress. Okay, is this dress that I said I will be pairing with my printed skirt that I got from Zara. I'll be pairing it with this. Okay, this outfit, I saw this outfit is a satin, like a kind of satin outfit, and I know it will be beautiful on me. Yeah. Okay, so what is here? I don't know what I got again. Okay, I think this is for my customer. If I want to do their makeup, I got this for makeup. So that it will not stain their outfits like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I got two in case maybe I am going out, I can leave one in the studio. I got two. So I got this beautiful lace. I think that is all. I got these beautiful earrings. Like me, I love jewelries, as you can see. Like this one that is here is so beautiful. So I got this beautiful pairs of earring. So so this is what it looks like, and I got some beautiful nails also. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do wait to subscribe, like and share this video, and I will see you next week. I love you guys. Bye.